Stop scrolling. What you're about to hear sounds fake, but it's 100% true. In 1951, a woman named Henrietta Lacks walked into a hospital with cancer. Doctors took a small sample of her tumor without ever asking her permission. She died 8 months later. She was 31 years old. But here is where everything gets wild. Watch till the end. Her cells never died. Every other human cell ever tested in a lab would stop dividing after a few weeks. Hers just kept going. Scientists called them HeLa cells and quietly shared them around the world. Those cells helped build the polio vaccine. They helped develop cancer treatments. They were used in research that led to the COVID-19 vaccine. Billions of dollars were made off her biology. Her family found out years later. They had no health insurance. They received nothing. One woman, with no idea it was happening, made the single biggest contribution to modern medicine in history, and nobody asked her name until it was too late.